This is a Nike ID Air Force One from 2012. This was actually like my second Nike ID ever made. This was like right around the time they put Air Force Ones on Nike ID. It was a big deal, so the public had a chance to do it. You didn't have to be in New York at Mercer or go to the Nike Innovative Kitchen to make an Air Force. You could do it online. Back then, Nike gave you a ton of options on the Air Force One. You could pick like the accent stitching, the swoosh color, the swoosh stitching. You could change the tongue color. You got 2 color laces. You could do a whole lot with it. This one, the option was the cement print. So obviously, everybody's a fan of cement print. But when the Air Force One came out, everybody was making black and cement or black, red, and cement print, like similar to the Supreme Dunk that came out a few years before. Everybody was making the Supreme Dunk version of the Air Force One. But I wanted to be a little different. So I really like the teal colorway they had, as well as like this hot pink colorway. So what I decided to do was use the upper. So a black suede material was used for the toe, as well as the midfoot paneling. Every other panel on the upper was the cement print. So to set it off with a little hit of color, I used that teal color for the swoosh, the tongue, as well as the Nike branding on the back heel tab. So you'll see that same teal colorway on the Nike, on the midsole. I went with a black midsole, the hot pink accent stitching for the midsole, and well, at one point it was a clear outsole. It's kind of dull now in yellow, but this was a clear outsole. Solid shoe in my opinion. One of my favorite Air Force Ones that I've ever made on Nike ID. Like I say, this shoe is about 13 years old, made in 2012. Nike, if you're listening, whoever is over Nike by you, please give us some more options again. Go back to these days when y'all really cared. James, look at this. The laces got metal braids on it, and it had 2 sets of laces. Y'all give us these options back. You know what I'm saying? Nike by you ought to have some dope options. But take it back to the Nike ID days where we have a ton of different options and a ton of different ways to make our Air Forces original.